All right, we've got a continuation of the bearish trend in natural gas. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by NatGas, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So we had a breakdown of long-term support over here, and then a retest of that zone as resistance. It stayed resistance and was really confirmed today with a drop to below the previous 5-day lows to a new trend low of 273 on my chart, and that breaks through the 78.6% retracement level, a 78.6% retracement level, and puts it on track to possibly reach this next target down here at 263, and that would create some symmetry in price between the sorry, you can't see the A up here, but of the purple pattern, we have an A, B, C, D pattern, and we have symmetry in price at that point. So the decline, it matches at, and that brings us to 263, which is a potential pivot and therefore a possible target. But there looks like a stronger area down here around 255 to 250 roughly, which includes the confluence of several measurements, including a 78.6 retracement of a larger upswing. And so this could act more like a magnet, I think, and possibly pull price to it before this bearish correction is done. And we also have this long-term trend line that was the top of a large symmetrical triangle earlier, if we want to look at it that way. And it's kind of tested back here as support, barely, but the buyers kept it higher. And then maybe this time now, it gets down to that line, but since there's confluence there, that increases the chance that might happen. Nevertheless, on the upside, we have resistance increasing, we could say, as the purple 20 moving average continues to decline and is about to intersect with this anchored volume weighted average price line that began from the 2024 trend low. So a long-term significant measurement of support and resistance, and we see it clearly support back here, clearly support back here, support momentarily here, and now it has failed, and now it's been confirmed as resistance. This is bearish. So this lower zone becomes a much better chance of being reached before this correction is done. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great week.